are back. You see us representing the queens.
We had to come through with the queens.
Graphic tees. We got Mary J. Blige.
We got my girl Whitney.
Whitney.
Hi. Hit it. Okay.
Oh. I wish I could hit Whitney notes. You know?
I don't think Whitney can.
So we are back with another recipe for you for Rawgust week 1, our lunch. This is recipe number 2. So we're gonna talk about convenience here. What you know about convenience?
Honestly, convenience is a must. I feel like sometimes I barely even get a lunch break. Sometimes I don't eat lunch. My first meal sometimes is at 2. So I feel like something that I can toss together is really the only time I have.
So I have here a packaged salad from any grocery store. Very convenient, very fast. You don't have to sit down and chop up all of the ingredients. In this bowl we have some chopped cabbage, some carrots, cilantro, some onions, and that's honestly it inside this bowl, but it's so yummy. It has about 3 different ingredients. We have almonds and we have an Asian-based vinaigrette that is going to be so good over this. The bag does come with croutons, but for Rawgust, we can't have the croutons because they're already cooked. But I did go ahead and separate and buy almonds on the side, so we'll dish it like that.
Give it that nice crunch.
Right? You ready to put this mix together, girl?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We have a wonderful large bowl. Just gonna pour in the salad here. You can do half at a time if you want to, or you can do it all at once. It's a couple of us, so we're just going to share the wealth.
The best thing about the cabbage too is it's not gonna wilt if it chills with the dressing for a while. So if you want to save it, it'll still taste good for dinner or lunch the next day. It's not gonna be wilted salad.
Right. My favorite part about salad is the dressing.
Oh my god. Hit it.
Yummy. You want to pour the dressing?
I would love to.
Yes. Oh. It looks so good.
Oh, look how thick that is.
Yes. Uh-oh, you see it. She's a professional salad tosser.
You see these skills?
Ooh.
It's all in the wrist action.
Tossing the salad.
It's actually in the finger action.
Tossing the salad. But that's when it's best, when you toss it with the fingers. Make sure you use the wrist a little bit.
Are you ready for some of this?
Oh, go ahead and place it on there nice.
Oh, go ahead. That's
perfect.
This was so quick. What was that,
5 minutes? Less than 5 minutes,
Less.
right? I think so.
Yeah. Definitely shorter than Postmates.
And cheaper. All right, so we're just gonna garnish this. Some more almonds and a little cilantro. Ooh, this is a gourmet. Ooh, don't play with us. We got a gourmet salad for Rawgust.